What's up guys, it's your boy Pedro. I'm here again once more telling you about something new. Well, probably not new for me, but probably new for you. An interesting and improved way of shooting YouTube videos or any travel videos for just $15. Just $15. Just $15. Roll intro. When I say $15, I really mean $15. This little device right here is called the Movo MTP 2360 Panoramic timer. You can mount your mobile devices, your GoPro, your small mirrorless camera. If you want to do a setup tutorial, or it's a awesome way of doing a time lapse. So on this device, you have 120 minutes, which is completely 360. You have 90 minutes, which is 270. You have 60 minutes, which is 180, and you have 30 minutes, which is 90. 180 is 180 degrees and 90 is a 90 degrees angle. So, and it's mechanical, no battery needed. $15, just $15. You can use it for like anything. I think the weight is about 2 kilograms. Yeah, weight is about 2 kilograms. Screw on your phone mount. Cool. Let me take my phone out of the case. Screw on your phone mount. You mount your phone on it, or any device that you have. So yeah, that's basically it. Very simple. So like, if you like this video, subscribe, turn that notification on, and I'll see you again in the next one. Peace.